In today's world, it's almost impossible to avoid hearing about the latest data breach, phishing scheme, or ransomware attack. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, making it a non-stop battle to keep your business safe. At Uncommon Solutions, we understand that cybersecurity is more than just installing antivirus software. Protecting your data and operations is our top priority, and we integrate cybersecurity into all our IT services to ensure comprehensive protection. Our mission is to build a virtual fortress for your business, safeguarding it from unwanted intrusions and ensuring your data remains secure. We start with a thorough audit of your IT infrastructure, operations, and protocols to identify vulnerabilities, assess risks, and recommend effective solutions tailored to your needs. By comparing your current security systems with industry standards and best practices, we provide cost-effective options to enhance your protection and ensure compliance with regulations. From our extensive experience in the field, we know that some of the most serious cybersecurity threats come from simple human errors. These include untrained employees, outdated corporate policies, and unenforced best practices, which can all lead to significant vulnerabilities. A single careless click on a phishing email or a password written on a sticky note can put your entire company at risk, exposing sensitive data and compromising your security infrastructure. Our dedicated experts will help you create robust systems and protocols to minimize these risks, ensuring your company remains secure and compliant with the latest standards. We also look for other vulnerabilities, such as outdated systems, uninstalled patches, and software lacking critical upgrades. As more businesses move their operations and data to the cloud, ensuring security there is crucial. Our cybersecurity efforts include controlling access to critical systems, identifying threats, blocking intrusions, and implementing preventative measures to thwart cyber criminals. Let Uncommon Solutions manage cybersecurity services, protect your data and business from unauthorized access, data breaches, and other malicious attacks. Benefits of our cybersecurity services: protection of networks and data from unauthorized access, enhanced business continuity management, improved stakeholder confidence, compliance with industry security requirements, faster recovery times in the event of a breach, increased productivity, proactive threat detection, reduced risk of financial loss, and safeguarding of sensitive information. Our services ensure your business remains secure and resilient in an ever-evolving digital landscape. We're here to solve your cybersecurity challenges and keep your business safe. Contact us today to schedule your free security assessment.